Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of our Strathcona Park camping adventure. Check out part 1 to see our road trip from Nanaimo to the campsite.
Good morning. Last night was really nice. We slept at like 10 something, but it was just really quiet. I think everyone else also went to bed really early, and then in the morning, normally around like 4 or 5 a.m., there's like birds that are like chirping their brains off. Yeah, there's none of that here. It's kind of like surprising. So it's a really nice quiet morning.
I had a really great sleep, all thanks to my warmth, my new warming things. But in the middle of the night, I got way too hot, and so I had to turn off the heating blanket. But a few hours later, I got cold. So then I used our other brown blanket and covered myself with that, and then it felt better.
Dang, so many issues.
I don't know. I can't regulate my body temperature. Ooh, done. So much smoke. Some lovely hash this morning with potatoes, peppers, onions, and egg and cheese. Our classic camping breakfast.
Come back in the AM and trying this again, and the water is so crystal clear, probably about like 15-20 feet deep, but like you can see all the way to the bottom, and without the wind, oh, this is the dream. For today, our plan is to paddle as far upstream as we can, and then hopefully in the afternoon when the wind catches, we're just gonna be coasting along. We are about 10 kilometers out from where we started, and we're taking a break right now. We're about a third way down the entire lake. This lake is very, very long. I think driving wise, from the top to the bottom is about like almost 40 kilometers, 38 maybe. So yeah, it's very, very long lake.
Roast my toes. My toes are cold. No! No butterflies! No butterflies!
We took a look at the map and decided, the wind's changing and we probably shouldn't go any further, so we're gonna stay put here and make ourselves some lunch. On the menu today, we're having tuna wraps with like lettuce and bell peppers. The issue is that we don't quite have a can opener, so we're gonna try hacking at it with a knife and a hatchet or something. I don't know how well this is gonna go.
We're done lunch now. We took some more time just to sit in the sun and relax. Now we're heading back. Unfortunately, the winds have turned, and now we were paddling against the wind to get here, and we'll be paddling against the wind to go back.
So after kayaking, we're like pretty tired of using our arms, so now we're gonna use our legs to go walk around. We're at Lady Falls trail, and I think it was about 20-minute drive from our campsite, not too far. And yeah, there's supposed to be a nice little falls, very quick hike, so we're probably just gonna run this. Well, after a quick like 10-minute jog, we're here, and these falls are on point.
Unexpected
Yeah.
for it to be so big.
Maybe bigger than the one we went to yesterday.
I know. Okay, running time. Okay, time for our last dinner of our camping trip, and we have bowl noodles. I was very craving this and very looking forward to this meal. So we have bowl noodles, leftover hot pot meat, and lettuce for dinner. We also have some Asian salad with cucumbers and celery and corn. Sweetie.
I see.
Don't mind my dot because I got a mosquito bite on my forehead. But we're doing a short trail near our camp called 3 Pond Trail. Yeah, 3 Pond Trail, and here is our first pond. That was a dumb hike. We were promised 3 ponds. We only came across 1 pond.
And a bunch of like dried up crater type things.
Yeah. What's up with that?
The beginning of the trail.
Okay, anyway, we were heading to the beach until we got distracted by this random side quest, but now we're heading to the beach.
We're back at the water again from the beach trail, and this is right about where we kayaked earlier this morning and afternoon. It is crazy how the weather forecast has changed so much in like the past little bit, from today and even yesterday, because yesterday there was like, you know, half foot, 1 foot, 2 foot waves that were crashing in. Now it's like completely still for the most part, so it's kind of strange.
Bro's got the biggest hiking poles to exist. Lead the way. Goodbye to your sticks.
Ah!
Ooh.
Good morning, day 3, and today's breakfast we're having pancakes with a compote, some berry compote sauce, and this was inspired by Sophie because all her berry sauces, her sauce game is good, so yeah, it should be good. Pancakes, let's dig in.
Okay, we're all packed up and we still have the whole day ahead of us, which is really nice. Our ferry is not until 5 later, so we're gonna slowly make our way back now. We decided to stop for one last paddle at McIver Lake Park. Hopefully it's not as wavy as it was yesterday.
What is happening? Oh no!
Hi! Bye, doggy!
Oh no, they're coming! Oh, that's cute. Getting chased by doglios. Ah! Oh, this is like true ocean kayaking. Oh my gosh.
Yay, we made it!
Man, I didn't shower last night and the water looks so nice. I think I gotta go in.
Ready, go!
Oh, it's so warm.
For lunch, we made it to the Campbell River Fisherman's Wharf area, and it looks like since we came on a Monday, a lot of things are actually closed, but we decided to get some fish and chips for lunch.
Alright, so we got the 2-piece cod and 2-piece halibut, and each one comes with like a serving of fries, and I can't even see the bottom here. It's all buried in fries, which is great. It also has like coleslaw on the side. We're eating lunch considerably late, but because we're hungry, this tastes especially good. And because they serve these in cones, you can take this whole serving, and they have holes on the table, so you can just put it here, and then it's perfect display and perfect to eat.
That's awesome.
Left hand or right hand, so they were really thinking here.
Wow, this is really big. $7 though. We got 2 flavors. One is cookie dough, one's raspberry white chocolate. And we're at the pier, and there's an ice cream shop right on the pier.
We're right back where we started at Nanaimo's ferry terminal, and we're heading back. It was a fun 3-day trip. What was your favorite part?
Lying around on the beach.
Yeah, I enjoy the kayaking trips. That was a lot of fun. I think there's a lot of hidden gems on the island that you just can't find on the mainland, and just the sheer lack of people was just great. The isolation. Amazing. Thanks for joining us on this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our little journey across the island to Strathcona, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.